Good morning, I'm Chloe. Today is April 2nd, 2026.
Good morning, I'm Ben. This is CTV.
Good morning, I'm Troy. Now please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Here are the students of the month. Now over to you, Ben and Chloe.
Man, I'm really tired.
Oh, how come?
I was at a party until 11 last night. It was really late.
Oh, dang, that sounds tired. Why'd you stay so late on a school night?
Honestly, everyone else was pressuring me into staying, and I didn't want to walk out and look uncool.
Yeah, I think we've all been there. You know, there's an example of peer pressure in action, doing something you don't want to do just to fit in.
Oh, and today's Take Your Thursday. Miss Ivy tells us how to handle those moments.
Let's watch it now.
Hey Cougars, this is Take Your Thursday.
What is self-esteem? Self-esteem is when you believe in yourself. When you believe in yourself, you're less likely to seek validation from others and believe that you can do it. To improve your self-esteem, you can practice assertiveness. You can learn how to clearly express your thoughts and feelings in a clear, respectful, and assertive manner. You can also practice saying no by setting boundaries with people. Being able to say no without being too passive-aggressive or mean is very crucial. So no is a one-word statement. If someone is pressuring you to do things, being informed, knowing the potential risks and benefits of what they're telling you to do and what decisions you have to do can help you make it more informed choices. If you notice that your friends keep pressuring you to do things that you might not like, make sure you're choosing the right people to be around. Surrounding yourself with people who share your same values and respect your boundaries are important for you of making better choices. Learning to handle peer pressure in a way that's true to your values and goals will help you grow as an individual.
I don't want to go to history. Mr. Kishiyama's going to drone on about the Great Depression for an hour or something. I'm getting depressed just thinking about it. Seriously though, we should just go get those big cookies over there. Yeah, we should go.
I don't know. This is where they said the lecture's on the final. If I miss this, then I'm definitely gonna fail that section.
One day, it's just one day. One day won't affect your grade. Plus, Mr. Kishiyama never looks at the back of the classroom. He won't even notice your CSM.
Well, last time he noticed the last person that skipped. And if I got detention, my mom would lose it.
Don't be such a downer. It's been like an hour. Please just decide. Come on, Nick. We're leaving in 5 seconds. Are you going to be study buddy Nick for the rest of the year, or are you going to come with us?
Fine. But if I get caught, I'm telling my mom it was all your fault.
All right. Let's go.
Nah, actually, I'm good. I actually need to pass this class. You guys have fun with your cookies. See you outside at lunch.
Have fun with the Great Depression, nerd.
Thanks for watching Cougars. That's all for today. Now back to the
Thank you, Miss Ivy and Ellie.
Hey, Ben, do you remember Neela's Guess What's in the Box challenge?
Yeah, somewhat. How does it work again?
CTV members Guess What's in the Box.
Oh, that makes sense.
Anyways, Neela made a part 2 of Guess What's in the Box. Let's watch it now.
Hi, my name is Neela, and here's a segment on Guess What's in the Box Challenge, Part 2.
I'm scared. Okay. That feels gross. Okay, that's a banana.
Oh, yes.
Banana.
Yeah.
Ew. Is this like cake or like?
Type of fruit.
Pineapple? No.
Is yellow.
Yellow? This is not a pineapple. A banana?
Yes.
Yes.
Got it in a minute. Good job.
Hopefully I don't cry.
Really loud. Okay, ready?
It's like mushy. I think there's a paper towel. I don't know what it is, I'm scared. It's like, ew, it's mushy. Wait, I don't know.
It's a fruit.
It's banana.
Yeah. Correct.
What am I touching? Is it like a pie? It smells like lemon. Is it like a lemon scented? No. Oh wait, it's from is this crushed oranges?
No.
What is this?
You're very close. It is a type of fruit.
Peaches?
Nope.
I just smelled this banana.
Yes.
Ew, I'm like with smushed bananas.
That's all for today, Cougars. I'm Neela reporting for CTV. Now back to the Anchors.
Hey Ben, do you remember Maxim's segment called Women in Our Walls?
Oh yeah, it's about female teachers and staff in our community.
Well, lastly, we have a segment called Women in Our Walls, Part 2 by Caitlin.
I'm Caleb from CTV, and this is a segment on Monthly Spotlight Women in Our Walls. Hi, what's your name?
I'm Mrs. Strauss.
And who's people that inspire you?
I have a lot of people who inspire me, but I'm actually going to focus on people from Carmenita. We have the most amazing teachers on campus. The English department is pretty awesome, but all of the teachers on campus, they inspire me every day to work hard and just be the best I can be.
And can you tell me about your career?
I started here at Carmenita 19 years ago, so 20 years next year, and I've only taught English for 7th grade and Avid for, I don't know, 9 years maybe?
And do you have any advice for students?
Students, right now our advice, or my advice would be to stay strong. I know we're in the 4th quarter, things start getting a little antsy and crazy and you want to be done, but stay strong and focus so that you can finish strong.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Miss Neela.
And who inspires you?
My mom, she was also a middle school science teacher.
And what's your career?
I do middle school science. I've been working here at Carmenita for 3 years. And I got started because I love teaching science. Science is my passion.
And do you have any advice for students?
Yes, always ask for help. We are always willing, someone's always willing to help you, whether it's a friend, a teacher, someone else on campus. Ask for help. We want help.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Mrs. Thomas.
And who are people that inspire you?
My mom inspires me. She's a hard worker, and so I try to be a hard worker as well.
And what is your career?
My career is being a math teacher. I've been a math teacher for 10 years.
And do you have any advice for students?
Yes, students, don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn.
Hi, what's your name?
I'm Jenna Kaminsky.
And do you have people that inspire you?
I have no single person that inspire me, but I have multiple, many. But I'm self-driven and I'm motivated by opportunities that I've been given, and I make the most out of it. And I try to do my best every single opportunity I get.
And can you tell me about your career?
I've been a dean for 10 years.
And do you have any advice for students?
Perseverance. Do the best, aim high, and keep going.
I'm Caleb from CTV. Now back to the Anchors.
Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, Cougars. I'm Ben.
And I'm Chloe.
Have an amazing spring break.